Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Okay, it is another unboxing video. Now today is a little special. Well, I won't say special, but it is new because this is the first time I've actually got this particular bag, and I am happy to just see what all the hype is about. So many people have it, and I just said I will go ahead and try it for once. Now I did not get the big box, I did get the small one, and I am talking about the Ipsy bag. So I got the $10 one. I did not get the Ipsy Plus because I wanted to see what the $10 little sample that they give you, because I started thinking that I do need like samples and things, because I like giving away samples as extra bonuses in my giveaways. So that's why I decided to get the sample one. I didn't get the full size one because I got quite a few full size beauty subscription boxes, so that didn't really interest me. I was looking for something that will give me samples. I should have kept my Allure subscription, but I got that for about 5 months, and then I just canceled it because I just wasn't seeing the use in samples, because sorry, I kicked my darn tripod. I wasn't really seeing the use in samples until I started realizing I can give them away as bonuses in giveaways. So yeah, that's why I decided to go ahead and try the Ipsy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. And okay. Ooh, cute little bag. I didn't see any unboxings for this yet, so I don't know what is in here, but this is the bag. Very cute. Is any, oh, something else is in here? Oh yeah, something else is in here. See, I'd have thrown that away. But yeah, it looks like it is a brush. Very cute. Cute little brush. I'm not going to open it because you never know. I might give it away in a giveaway, so I don't want to open it. But you can see it. It's very cute. Very mermaidish. See the bristles? Like blue and purple there. Little glitter in the brush. Very cute. Who is this by? This is by Miss Glam SS57. So that's what that is. I'm going to open the bag here. And I do see a card, so I like seeing cards. Don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. Okay, you couldn't get enough glam and ask for more. If you're ready for 5 full-size products, visit ipsy.com Glam Bag Plus to start your membership. So, here's a quick look at why we think you'll love your Dreamy Made picks. Head over to ipsy.com/glampag for tutorials, videos, and tons more info on your products. And this has all the things that's in the bag, I'm guessing, and a little message here. So yeah, that's really cute, and looks like that's what's in the bag. All right, and yeah, so let's see. First thing here is this a pigment? Naked Cosmetics, and this is Painted Canyon. This is a pigment. Yeah, that's not a glitter, that's a pigment. Very cute. Looks like a little purple type color. Little container is cute. But yeah, that's like a little purpley color. Excuse me. And let's see. Yes, loose pigment, Naked Cosmetics. Okay. And looks like theirs is not like, BoxyCharm or anyone that tells you the price, which is fine. So, okay. That is a loose pigment. Next thing is Radiant Glow Highlighter. This is the box. You don't want to see the box. I'm trying not to tear the box in case I have to give it away. This is the box. And this is the actual highlighter. Very cute. I'm not going to swatch this because, again, I don't know if I'm going to give it away, but I will open it. Looks like that. Pretty. That's a pretty highlighter. Pretty. So close that. Not sure yet. Next thing is BioFresh mask with real calming herbs. Alrighty, looks like this is a, a mask that you put on, then you have to wash off. Yeah, wash off mask. I will definitely be giving this away in one of the giveaways. I already know that. I mean, I love wash off masks, but this, yeah, I'll definitely give away. Everyone could stand to use a nice mask. Everyone. And looks like this is the last thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And this is Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Versailles. Okay. Looks like this. I got a couple Ofras already. Can you see that? It's a cute little, what is that, like a peachy, pinky, orangey, peachy type color. Let's see. I won't be giving this away because I'm about to swatch it. And don't mind my red hand. I did another video before this and I was doing swatches, so. And I tried to clean it off, but it didn't come off as good as I want. I'm going to go wash my hand. But yeah, that's the color. Can you see? It's cute. It's cute. Yeah, I would wear this. Alright, and like I said, that was the last thing in the bag. And that is everything from my first Ipsy bag. And I gotta say, I do like it. So I will go ahead and try it again next month. Now, here's not to say that, down the line I may, go ahead and get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because I think, if I remember correctly, I didn't really pay attention to the website as far as the Plus, but I think that I saw that you can get the regular $10 one as well as the Plus, which is $25. I think you can get both of them. I think. Don't quote me on that because I didn't really pay attention to the website. I was just trying to go there and get this one. But, down the line, I may want to try the Plus. I'm not sure yet, but I think for a couple months I may go ahead and just, get some of these $10 ones so I can have some samples to give away to all my lovelies out there, Alrighty, so again, that is everything, and I really appreciate you watching today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, and no, sorry. Alright, and thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really, really appreciate each and every one of you who have been sticking with me and following me. I am at I think I'm almost close to 450 right now. And, guys, thank you. I mean, thank you for that. I really, really appreciate you all. And, thank you. That's all I can say. I'm so happy, so appreciative. Thank you. And I will continue to bring content, continue to try to make you happy and want to watch. And just thank you. I mean, I can't say it enough. I don't know how many times I can say it. I can't say it enough. Thank you. And without further ado, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, so you never miss an upload of all this craziness that I do. This was actually kind of subtle compared to my usual videos. So yeah. But anyway, and also like the video and comment. Thank you so much. Bye.